is the day we're gonna put up the Christmas decorations. We've got 6 boxes of stuff. I've got my brush ready, I've got my hoover ready, we've got tidying up to do and cleaning at the same time. The tree of joy is there. I've got a load of stuff to tidy in here too. We've just had people stay, we've had our lovely stepson stay, so we've got to tidy all that away, clean, move the chair, tidy the chair. That is the dog's chair, by the way, that's quite scruffy. And we are going to put up our Christmas decorations. And we're going to have a very good clean. So let's get started for the first day of Vlogmas. The lights are on. My big baubles, which I always put on first, are on because they just sort of add a bit of a baseline for me to work from. And then we're going to go, I'm going to put all my nice baubles on first. And then once my nice baubles are on, I then fill up with all my lovely glossy sparklies, which I've got silvers and blues. And I haven't put the blues on for a couple of years. But this year, we're going to put the blue on and the silver. But doesn't she look beautiful? Gorgeous. So to keep us all going on the the second day of December, because I am a day late, to putting our Christmas decorations up, we're going to need some sustenance. So I am making which looks very rustic, I am aware at the moment, but wine has splattered everywhere, a lovely rustic chicken casserole. So it's a bit more Mediterranean-y, sort of, rather than traditional British casserole. So I've got some nice peppers in there, our homegrown thyme, some roasted tomatoes I did the other day, I whacked in. The chicken is looking odd because it's red wine, not white wine that I've used. And a few bits of a sticking chicken stock even, and a bit more. So that should keep us nice and toasty and warm and sustained later this evening when we've done a little bit more decorating. I'm also making some roasted veggies for soup or for salads to keep us going through the whole week, using up bits and bobs out of the fridge. How beautiful and colourful does that look? Also just did a hotel chocolat, sorry. Absolutely love their velvetizer. We've been using it for years. It was a Christmas present my now husband bought me, and we love it. So for this time of the year and into Christmas as a treat, we like to make sure we keep all of that topped up beautifully. So let's have a little look at what we bought, because I bought the velvetizer stuff, but actually I bought all of our Christmas chocolates as well. And I had gone a little bit mad because there was a load of offers on in the run up to Black Friday, so obviously I utilised that. So I got some beautiful pecan praline. Pistachio is a huge hit in our house, so we've got the pistachio baklava, pistachio heart, which I've got a couple of because I know they're going to go, peanut butter, which won't go as quickly, so that's more for me, and the amaretto, again more for me. I've got a cherry deluxe, which is for husband, he loves a bit of cherry. So we've got all their selectors, which are usually on some kind of round. So this time I've gone for some different, so starting off with what we normally have, the salty caramel velvetizer. We absolutely adore this one, it's a favourite. We end up fighting over the last one. It is fantastic, so I have stocked up on those for sure. And then this time I've gone for some other flavours too. So I've gone for a mocha latte selection. So I've not done the lattes before and I wanted to try all of them. Sorry about my nails, I am going to do those later. So I've not tried them before, so I thought I'll try the selection box and then see which ones I like the best, because there's quite a few, yeah. So cafe mocha latte, chocolate mocha latte, hazelnut caramel. So I'm going to see which ones of those I prefer as a bit of a trial process. And then I've also got peanut butter, which we've not tried, and there's hit and miss reviews on the website. So I am going to give that a go myself and see how we get on. This time more pistachio hearts on the bottom. That's the other salty caramel, just because we really do love the salty caramel. It is a treat for this time of the year. And then I bought, what did I buy? Oh, so I've got more selectors. Marzipan, so again, those are for me. And then I've got some nice nutty ones, which the boys will like as well. But the marzipan is really for me. And then what else do we have as well? I love their packaging. More marzipan. Oh, and this sounds delightful. I only bought one pack, but I feel I might regret only buying one. So it's a pecan Danish flavoured chocolate selector. So let's see what that's like. I think that will go down really well, and I think we'll be fighting over these. So that is it. I've got all my selectors ready for the Christmas season. I've got a different flavour to try on the chocolate velvetizer, and I've got our good old favourite salty caramel, lots of. And I've also got my mocha latte selection to give a go, something new for me for the season, because I do like a coffee. I quite like a mocha if it's done well, so we're going to give that a go and see how we get on.